Hello friends, welcome to Smart Shiksha. Today we will discuss about ओडिशा जीके टॉप 20 क्वेश्चन। आने वाली सभी गवर्नमेंट एग्जाम, ओडिशा का गवर्नमेंट एग्जाम के लिए 4-5 सवाल इस टॉपिक से जरूर आएगा ही आएगा। तो बिना देरी किए इस टॉपिक को स्टार्ट करते हैं। बिफोर वी स्टार्ट द टॉपिक, प्लीज शेयर द वीडियो विथ योर फैमिली एंड फ्रेंड्स एंड सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द टॉपिक। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, वंदे उत्कल जननी। वंदे उत्कल जननी is the state song of Odisha is composed by. Vande Utkal Janani is the state song of Odisha is composed by. Answer is option number A, Lakshmikant Mahapatra. Lakshmikant Mahapatra wrote Vande Utkal Janani is the state song of Odisha. Next question. Sadharana Pathe. Sadharana Pathe is an autobiography written by. Sadharana Pathe is an autobiography written by. Answer is Dr. Hare Krishna Mahatab. Answer is Dr. Hare Krishna Mahatab. Sadharana Pathe is the autobiography of Dr. Hare Krishna Mahatab. Next question. Who is known as Mother Teresa of Odisha? Who is known as Mother Teresa of Odisha? ये सवाल तो आपका आंसर आपको जरूर आता होगा। आंसर इज रमा देवी. रमा देवी इज द मदर टेरेसा ऑफ ओडिशा. Rama Devi is the Mother Teresa of Odisha. Who is popularly known as Utkal Kesari in Odisha? Who is popularly known as Utkal Kesari in Odisha? Utkal Kesari. Dr. Hare Krishna Mahatab. Dr. Hare Krishna Mahatab is known as, popularly known as Utkal Kesari in Odisha. Next question. Who among the following is responsible for the effective implementation of Sarva Shiksha Abhijan in Odisha? Who among the following is responsible for the effective implementation of Sarva Shiksha Abhijan in Odisha? Answer is option A, OPEPA. OPEPA, effective implementation of Sarva Shiksha Abhijan in 2005. Next question. Who among the following is popularly known as the Grand Old Man of Odisha? Who among the following is popularly known as the Grand Old Man of Odisha? Answer is Madhusudan Das. Madhusudan Das, option C, Madhusudan Das is popularly known as Grand Old Man of Odisha. Next question. Odisha State Maritime Museum. Odisha State Maritime Museum is located at. Answer is Cuttack. Answer is Cuttack. Odisha State Maritime Museum, Cuttack. Next question. First Odia to win Kendriya Sahitya Academy Award. First Odia to win Kendriya Sahitya Academy Award. Answer is Gopinath Mahanti. Option A, Gopinath Mahanti. Option A, Gopinath Mahanti, first Odia to win Kendriya Sahitya Academy Award. Next question. Which of the following tribes constitute the largest group among the tribe population in Odisha? Which of the following tribes constitute the largest group of among the tribe population in Odisha? Answer is option A, Poroja. Option A, Poroja, largest group among the tribe population in Odisha. Next question. Which book is still followed? Which book is still followed for the preparation of Panjika in Odisha? For the preparation of Panjika in Odisha, Siddhant Darpan. Siddhant Darpan is the book is used for the preparation of Panjika. Next question. First Odia novel. First Odia novel is. First Odia novel is option B, Padamali. First Odia novel is Padamali. Next question. Who is the writer of Gobind Chandra Tika? Who is the writer of Gobind Chandra Tika? Answer is Yashwant Das. Option D, Yashwant Das is the writer of Gobind Chandra Tika. Next question. The original name of Saint Chaitanya was. The original name of Saint Chaitanya was. Answer is Vishwambar. Vishwambar is the original name of Saint Chaitanya. Next question. Lingaraj temple at Bhubaneswar was built in dash architecture. Lingaraj temple at Bhubaneswar was built in dash architecture. Answer is option D, Kalinga style architecture. Kalinga style architecture, Lingaraj Mandir. Next question. Panchayat Raj system was introduced in Odisha in the year. Panchayat Raj system was introduced in Odisha in the year 1961. Panchayat Raj system introduced in Odisha. Next question, current affairs से है. Odisha has launched which mobile app for the streaming of supply chain management of take home ration? Odisha has launched which mobile app for the streaming of supply chain management of take home ration? Answer is option A, Mo Chatua. Mo Chatua app is launched by Odisha government. Next. Odisha becomes a part of British Empire during the region of. Odisha becomes a part of British Empire during the region of. Answer is Lord Wellesley. Option D, Lord Wellesley. During the period of Lord Wellesley, Odisha became the part of British Empire. Next question. Who was the first Muslim ruler of Odisha? Who was the first Muslim ruler of Odisha? Answer is Subeman Karni. Option C, Subeman Karni is the first Muslim ruler of Odisha. Next. Rusikulya river originated from. Rusikulya river originated from. Answer is Daringbadi Hill. Answer is Daringbadi Hill. Rusikulya river is known as lifeline of Ganjam. Lifeline of Ganjam, Rusikulya river. Next question. National Aluminium Company Ltd, NALCO of Odisha was established in the year. National Aluminium Company NALCO of Odisha was established in the year. Answer is 1981. Option C, 1981. NALCO was established in 1981. A homework for you. Who is the first Odia IS? Who is the first Odia IS? Send me the answer in the comment box. Please share the video with your family and friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.